Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you 3 ways to generate AI poems with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you'll find Introducing ChatGPT. Click on this link. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Generating AI poems with ChatGPT can be enjoyable and creative process. Today I'm showing you 3 ways to generate AI poems with ChatGPT. Number 1. Specify the theme or subject of the poem. I'm giving you with example. Can you write a poem about the changing season with a focus on autumn? Here is your beautiful poem. Number 2. Choose a specific poetic form or structure. Example: write a sonnet about the beauty of the moon. Here is your beautiful sonnet about moon. Number 3. Incorporate emotional tone or style. Example: can you create a dramatic poem about love, loss and longing? Here it is. Such a creative poem. These approaches give you control over the content, style and form of the poem, allowing ChatGPT to generate something truly unique and tailored to your preferences. That's it. So this is the 3 ways to generate AI poems with ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.